using or in if statement conditions. I'm sure there is a really simple answer to this, but I can't find it after searching around for a while. The above code works perfectly. The condition on the if statement seems a bit long-winded, so I tried. Which is shorter but doesn't work. I worked out that it doesn't work because O is a Boolean expression which will always be true and that it doesn't consider anything on the left side of OR. I tried putting brackets around it like so. But that only matches Q and not O. Is there any shorthand way of getting the code to work, or do I have to use the long-winded way that's working for me?
You can use letter in oak or re.match oak, letter. More thoroughly, I'd probably define a string of prefixes that should get the U. In your code, letter equals O or Q, first evaluates O or Q. O isn't false, so the result is O, and so this is the same as letter equals O. Your other attempt, letter equals O or Q, first evaluates letter equals O, and if it's true, it gives the answer true, otherwise it'll give the answer Q. You can find the documentation for how OR works in the language reference.
Use one of the following solutions to implement the condition. List, if letter N, Q, O, tuple, if letter N, Q, O, string, if letter N, Q, O. Update, for completeness, regex, re.match oak, letter, copied from Paul Hanking's answer. You should vote his on where if you think regex is the solution.
BTW, it's better not to focus on how you write the code. The in-string option is best, in this special case where the input is a single character. More generally, for a smallish number of possible values, in tuple is preferred to in list, as recent Pythons will build the tuple at compile time, whereas the list is built at runtime. When there are many options, a set or frozen set can be built once, and interrogated multiple times quickly. Regex approaches are more complicated and or slower than the options canvassed above. 1. Re.match QO, letter, can't compete with letter in QO. 2. Initially needs _u equals re.compile QO, .match followed by needs _u letter is horrid compared with initial needs _u equals set QO followed by letter in needs _u.
What are you?